Oh, you're so cute. You're so cute. Hello. Hi. Hello. Here. Oh, hello. Hello. Welcome to King Harris in Japan. Okay, so this is a Suzuki Jimny. Say hello. We're in Osaka. We're planning on driving to Kyoto. So here's the problem with Japanese K cars. We can't fit the luggage and 4 people in this car right now. Okay, let's try this.
그거를 이제 밑에를 먼저 안에다가 얹나?
No way. Really? It works. So it's legal to watch TV while driving here? That's crazy. Oh, so funny thing in Japan, the turn signal stalk is on the right side. And the wipers are on the left. That's kind of cool. They don't know I lost my something. Oh shit. 진짜? It's because you don't want to drive. It's because you're nervous. Kawaii. It's the same height as you. That's crazy.
5'4"?
This is 5'4".
Yeah,
Alrighty. Moment of truth. Hi. Konnichiwa.
Okay, media detox for me.
Okay. Why? Seatbelt. Everybody? Okay, just an FYI, this is my first time driving on the wrong side of the road, on the wrong side of the car. Ah, 그렇네. So it was a seatbelt. I don't know. I know, but the car behind me was like.
You'll never get used to it.
What the hell, dude? What the hell? Bro, the alignment's fucked. Look at this. We have to keep it like this to go straight. Can I try something, family? Wait, it doesn't turn right. Look. Sorry. Ah, look at the scenery though. This is beautiful. Wow. Wait till we have problem, family. We have to go in this lane. Why is it blocked?
아니야, 300m 앞에서 이렇게 할 수 있다는 거 아니야?
Ah, okay. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, you're good.
Yes. Oh, wait. Oh, shit.
Oh my god!
Wait, is it slow traffic keep left or slow traffic keep right in Japan?
Keep left이지 않을까?
Slow traffic keep left, right? Okay, we're gonna stay in this lane.
우와, 진짜 무서워. Oh my god. 나도 진짜.
I mean, I saw that car going. I was like,
死亡保険は高いと思っていませんか？私の年だと保険料1660円なんですよ。
Okay. Illo. What the? Why are they coming from there too? What?
저 사람들은 이렇게 온 거겠지. 기다려. 네, 기다려.
I know.
아야 왼쪽 사람.
Oh, okay.
왜 가지 마.
I'm sorry, sir. Everyone else is going. Do they all reverse park here?
Yeah.
Okay, reverse parking in a right-hand drive vehicle. Wow, the steering ratio is horrible. It's got such a long steering rack. Welp. Forgot to bring my camera, but we found out that we have to park somewhere else. So Here we are. Okay, so we make a stop. Let's try to. Oh, you mother of steering wrecks.
Oh, and then you see the park sign?
Yeah.
That's it.
Okay. Oh, check out those BBSs. Oh yeah. All right. Well, that was the Suzuki Jimny. Look at this key too. It's just a little. Look at this van, bro. Look at the front wheel fitment. That's crazy. Oh, I guess we're doing a face reveal today. Crazy thing is, Miatas are just like normal sized cars here. Sick ass Jimny too. That looks like a G-Wagon. Alright, hello. Welcome to day 2 of driving in Kyoto. Ooh, maybe this is
녹화 안 됐어?
I don't know why. I don't know if it cut off or I just wasn't filming this entire time. But hello, welcome back to day 2 in Kyoto, Japan. Today we are driving to, where are we driving, Joanne?
Fushimi
Nari.
Inari.
Fu-
No, Inari.
Inari.
Not Minari, it's Inari.
What the hell? What is going on? What the?
아까 골목에서 떠나는 거 찍었어요.
그러니까. Man. Okay, chill. Hey, chill. I know. Look at that. That's how you know what's coming from that side. America needs some of these. Whoa. This is tight. Oh yeah, it's kawaii for you guys. For me, it's stressful. Holy
You got it.
Holy shut up.
여기까지 가면 됐었어.
Okay. Wow. Okay, so this is why people drive K cars, huh? Oh my goodness! Why are you so wide, sir? Holy shit! Wow. 와, 이거 진짜 완전 만화에서 보는 그거 아니야?
그런 게 만나서.
토토로에서 이사 갈 때.
Yeah. 폰야에서 이런 도로 가는 막 비가 막. Ooh, there's an Evo. I'm sorry. Yeah, there was just a Lancer Evo. I had to look at the Evo.
지금 엄청 왼쪽으로 붙어 있는 거 알아?
I'm just scared of the cars. 아니 언제는 왼쪽으로 더 붙어도 된다고 하면서 이제는 왼쪽으로 붙으니까 또 뭐라 해. Wow, what's going on? Whoa. Dang, no one moves out of the way for them?
그러니까. 이 오토바이 갈 때 얼른 가야 돼.
아하.
너 바짝 붙어.
아니 이거 따라서
아하.
눈치 거 가야 돼.
아니 그냥 여기 이렇게 가.
그러니까.
야, 스고이. 하이.
오, 나이스.
Oh, wrong lane. Wrong lane. I am sorry. Oh wait, I came in the wrong way. 아 근데 여기 파킹하면 될 것 같은데? Oui? No te gusta?
여기다 해.
Ah, sí.
그럼 저기 목적지 여기니까.
Sí.
자리가 있어?
여기 스탑.
Here? Yeah.
저긴 안 되고.
The turning radius is just so bad. It's so bad.
그냥 돌아도 되는데. 차가 작아. 앞이 짧아.
Okay, well I think that's gonna wrap up the video because I do not want to drive this car again. Final thoughts on the Suzuki Jimny. Steering is bad. No power. Sounds like a bus. Not the greatest suspension in the world. I don't know. It's just weird driving on the right side of the road. All right. Well, it turns out we're gonna go park somewhere else. But check this out. This is how they enforce parking in Osaka, Japan, or not Osaka, but in just Japan in general, I guess. Oh. Yeah. Oh my. Oh my.
It's okay, it's okay. You have room.
Yeah.
Oh my god, this is. Oh my.
You're not even filming correctly, are you?
Oh, yeah.
Oh my god.
여기서 잘 줘.
Here? Bruh.
와, 미쳤다.
This car's got the worst.
와, 미쳤다. 축하. 와, 미쳤다. 와.
편하면서 운전한대요.
Bro.
아니 지금 너무 시닉하잖아.